let's just wait a little bit for those that are coming in. Let's wait a little bit for them. And somebody asked a question about how do TA play a role. You get now. There are so many things that I was talking about top-down analysis before. Now you get now. There are so many other things that TA gets to play when it comes to technical analysis. Now TA helps you to get a perfect entry. You understand? To know a very good time to enter the market. You can't just enter the market anytime. You get so, but when you draw your proper analysis, you can actually know that okay, yeah, this is a very good time for me to jump into this market. With your technical analysis, you can use that to understand that oh, this is a very good time for me to enter this market. Drawing your setups, you get your using your there are so many things you use when you're using TA. There are so many tools we get to use. You understand? We have indicators, we have chart patterns. There are so many that we get to use when we're drawing analysis. You get so all those things have a very good role they play. Now, we're talking about top-down analysis. Now, we do an analysis checking, let's say in a month or let's say in a year, what has been the movement of this market? Have this market gotten to a very high point before? Like, what has been the highest point it has gotten to? All those things are very important. You get we use that to also know how to invest for long term when you're doing analysis for long term projects. You get so we get to I've done so many analysis for long term projects. Ada, I did an analysis on Ada. Most of my students actually know about that. I think I told them to buy that. You get so and Ada is selling at $2 as at today. You get I did analysis on vet also. I did analysis on one when all these coins I'm calling. Please don't go and start buying anyhow. Don't go and start buying anyhow, please. You get so, but that's just what that is. So technical analysis play a very very vital role. You get it helps you to know when to enter that very market. You get so that's just that. I don't know if there's any other question, please. Oh, what's this now? What now is the difference between spot trading? Or is it just referring to no, spot trading is trading now. We just normal trading. We trade. Let me read everything so that I don't get to mix up the answer. Or does spot trading also have a time limit? And if you can, maybe please just summarize the difference between futures, spot trading, you buy some coin, but I don't really- like I said before, I don't advise people buying coins and keeping them on exchanges. You understand? Because for when you're talking about spot trading, you're talking about Binance. You're talking about Binance. So that means you're using Binance. You want to buy this coin and hold it for a long period. Now it's always advisable, okay, when you buy it, you can actually just transfer it to if you want to hold it for a long period, just transfer it to maybe your cold storage wallet, which is your SafePar, or your Trust wallet. You understand? Send it there, and then it's safe for you. You get than just keeping because you're even going to you can't even keep track of what you're actually having in your Binance. If you're keeping coins for, let's say you're holding coins for long term in your Binance, you may not be able to keep track of what you're actually doing because there's a place in your Binance where you see it just shows you the total of everything there. So now even if you're in losses, you won't know. Even if you're making profits, you won't know. So once you're having coins that you want to keep for long term, you can actually send them to those places and then you store them there. You understand? Then you use your Binance for just trading purpose. Now we talk about futures. Futures is you can trade the markets sideways. You can trade it. You can place go long. Going long, that means you're actually placing the buy order to buy at a lower rate and then sell at a higher rate. Now for the other way, you can actually turn it the other way and then place a sell order. Maybe the market has gotten to a resistance level. You can just say, okay, now this market is actually going to go down, and then you place a sell order below, and then so you can make profit sideways, both ways. Sorry, both by buying or by sorry, either by going long or by going short. You can make profit either ways. But in spot trading, we only buy at a lower rate and then sell at a higher rate. But for spot for futures, you can do it the other way. You can buy at a lower rate, sell at a higher rate. You can sell at a higher rate and then just drop your sell order down, and then you make some good profit from that. You get. So that's just. But I don't really trade futures. I don't trade futures. I trade spots because futures is really really dangerous. You could get liquidated. You understand? If you don't do proper risk management, you can actually get liquidated completely, and you can lose all your funds. Trust me. But in spot trading, you can't. All you just need is just patience. Just hold your coins. Just hold them. You understand? Just be patient. Just hold for some time. If it's got that it's actually taking so much time, just send it to your your trust wallet or your safe bar, and then keep it there for yourself. It's your money. It's not going anywhere. It is when you have sold at losses, that is when you can actually say you've lost. You understand? That is the sweetness of spot trading. It is when you say, "Oh, I'm tired of holding," you just sell off. That is when you can actually say you have lost. Do you need TA to do spot trading? Yes, you need TA. Definitely, that is what we do. You need TA to do spot trading. You need proper technical analysis to do spot trading. I just pity a lot of people that just go into Binance, they hear about this coin and just buy it. Trust me, yes, you're actually lucky. But sometimes this market could go the wrong way, and then you're actually down for. You get. So you need TA to do spot trading. Basic, in short, both spot trading and futures trading, you need TA for those things very well. You understand? It's just for, let's say, maybe you want to just invest. That's when you can actually use your TA, fundamental analysis. Get to know more about this very project, what's the project about, and then you get to invest for long term. You get. So that's just that. Any other question, please? Okay, any other question, please, before I proceed? I'm waiting for questions before I proceed, please. If there's any question, if we are following, please, I want to also know if we're following. We have so many people in this group. Oh, I don't know. Are you guys not following? Am I too fast? Please, if I'm too fast, please let me know so that I can slow down. 'Cause I want you guys to get these things very well. Okay, about the white paper. Somebody's asking about white paper. So what about the white paper? Unmute yourself and talk. Let me hear you. Unmute yourself and talk.
All right, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you very
Yeah,
much
good
for
evening.
the privilege of having me in this class. I want to know, you talked about the white paper the other time, that there are regulations. So I don't know, how do we know if that white paper is genuine? Since there are bodies, how can we follow such bodies to know if that white paper is genuine?
Okay. Like I said before, everything boils down to information. You cannot just stay in your house and then maybe you don't get to go to the internet to check, and then you believe that you just know that, oh, this coin is this coin is that. You get information. Once you want to come into the crypto space, you need to be an information prostitute. That's what my boss will always tell you. You need to be an information prostitute. You need to try to see how you can get any information, dig for them. You understand? If you want to follow a particular cryptocurrency, make sure you follow them very well. You understand? Know their CEO. You can follow the person on Twitter. Put his tweet on notification, so that whenever he drops any tweet, you get to know about whatever he's saying. You get, you follow their page. Just follow anything about them. If maybe maybe you have 10 favorite coin, do that for them. Follow all anybody you know that any coin, sorry, any project that you know that you want to, you just want to love, you want to get into for a very long, just follow them up. You understand? Follow their owners, follow their whole technical and everything. You understand? So that you can actually keep a track of whatever thing that is going on with them. You get, like I said before, white paper tells you what the vision of this particular, or what the vision of a particular cryptocurrency is. My battery is low. I hope the recording will be available. Okay, like I said before, the white paper tells you the vision, what this project is about, how important it is, the uniqueness you get. Now, let me just refer you guys. You guys can go download CoinMarketCap. You get download CoinMarketCap, but I'm not going to teach you how to use it. This is not a class for that. That's a technical analysis class. That's a topic on its own when it comes to technical analysis. You get, so just download it, play around it. You can just, when you see a particular cryptocurrency, just click on it, just go down. You can actually see where you can see just read about them a little bit. You get coin market cap. Maybe somebody should just help me write it down there for them to go and download. You get, so that's just one of the applications you can actually use to get these informations. You get, so that's that coin market cap. Okay, that's good, thank you. So any other question, please? Any other question before I proceed? Any other question, please? Any other question? No, sir. Continue. Okay. I need more response. I need more response to be sure that we are together. I hope you understand everything about the difference between trading. Okay, there was one thing I did not talk about. Sorry, let me go back to that, please. That slide. There was one thing I didn't talk about in this very place. I don't want to skip that. Now, best for building capital and best for growing capital. Now, trading is best for building capital. Now, let me explain this now. Now, you buy, let's say you have 100,000 naira in your Binance, for example, and then you trade a particular signal. Maybe that signal is selling at let's say maybe the signal that was given to you was 10% profit, and then you sold. Maybe it hit sell price and you made profit. Now you've made 110,000 because that's 10% of that very trade. Now, if you remove your 10,000 that you've made, if you remove your 10,000 that you've made, and then you use that 100,000 to trade on that signal for 10%, you are not growing. Hope you know that you're still stagnant. But let's assume that after using that 100K to trade, you made 10,000 naira additional to that very 100,000 naira. That's 110,000. Use that 100,000 now and trade on that signal, and that signal gets to resale price. You have built up. You understand? Now, let me bring it. I using physical example now. Let's assume that you are into maybe you sell bags. You sell bags, and then you bought bags for 50,000 naira, and then your profit was 25,000 naira. And after you sold these bags, or you just remove your 25,000 naira and put back in your pocket, and then you use the 50,000 and go and buy again. You're not growing. You're still in that same place. You're still in that very place you started. You understand? But let's assume that you remove 10,000 and keep, and then you use 65,000 naira now and go to that market and buy more bags. You have grown one step ahead. You understand? So I don't know if you guys are getting the point. So in trading, we build our capital. It's best for building. You just get to build it and build it and build it and build it. But while in investing, you just buy it and then you wait for the growth. You understand? You wait for the coins to do times two, times three, times four, times five, times six. You just wait for the growth. Anytime it grows to your targeted value, that is when you can actually go off. You get, so that is just that. So I hope these differences are really okay, and we got to understand the differences. If you get to understand, please, I want to see it on the comment section, please. He's talking about premium tiers there. With a little understanding, I can trade. Okay, I did not say anything. No. I don't think so. It's any premium test leading. It's clear. Okay, it's clear. Okay, I'm happy that it's clear. You get, so this is just the difference between trading and investment. So there's so much there is difference. When I ask some people that what's the difference between trading and some people say, I know almost the same thing. That's the same thing now. You get. Now I gave the first instance I gave to you guys. I gave I used physical things. You understand? Tomato, pepper. You get. Those things, they are perishable. You got to just sell. You have to sell them fast. You understand? The same way with trading. If you don't get to, something can happen to you. You can actually buy a particular cryptocurrency, and then because you're just aiming at a short-term goal, and then that cryptocurrency maybe it goes down, and then you're not patient. You lost. You lose. You get. You sell at losses and then you lose. And you discover that those people that are selling tomato, when the tomato gets bad, at some point they get to there's something they call budget. You understand? They just put it in a basket and then plenty of it, and then they just sell it at losses. They just accept their losses. You get. So that is short term. You understand? Somebody said something in the comment section. Wasn't around. No, I will need it. You get. So that's just that for trading and investing. Okay, now let's go to um the beauty of technical analysis. Now, beauty of technical analysis. That's what we're talking about right now. So when we talk about technical analysis, what comes to your mind? I want to see comments. I want to see your comments. When you talk about technical analysis, what comes to your mind? I want to see comments. I said something about it already, so I just want to see. I want to know if we're actually following. The ability to analyze the market. I need more comments, please. I need more comments. Determine the exact point to enter chart patterns. Okay. Using tools, past price movements, analyze what may happen next. Okay. Using financial instruments to predict market movement based on previous data. Okay, I love that too. That's a good one. Okay, now let me give you it gives you insight about the present and the future. Present and the future. Oh, using the history of products to coins to know the next move. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I'm easy to use. I just love this class. A lot of you guys are beasts already in the market. You don't need this class now. If that's the case, you guys don't need this class. Okay, now technical analysis can be like in my own term, it's the act of studying and analyzing the demand and supply rate of service in relationship with buyers and sellers. You get at a particular period of time. Just use the relationship between demand and supply to know how this market is. What's the demand rate of this very particular commodity? The demand is very high. The demand is high means definitely the coin is going to pump. You get the demand of something is high. If something is highly demanded, definitely that means that it's going to pump really really hard. Now I like let me use BNB for example. Now the demand for BNB was really really high because before you can actually purchase any of those Binance Smart Chain contract, you must have BNB. Sorry, let me reduce my music. Sorry, you must have BNB. You must have BNB before you can actually get that. So that is demand. You understand the demand of it actually have made it to move. So now your ability to actually analyze the market using like somebody said the history charts, using the price movement and everything, price action and all that to know the direction of the market. In fact, sometimes I don't like using the word prediction. You understand? I don't like predicting. I don't like using that word. I like using we analyze. You understand to know the direction because if you're talking about predicting, that's like bet Niger. You understand? So I don't like using that word predicting. You tassel my joy. You get. So that's just that. So I just want to make you guys understand that learning technical analysis is so massive. You get like when you learn how to become a technical analyst, there are so many things that you can actually benefit by just knowing that process. You get just knowing about the whole technical analysis. There's so much that you're going to, benefit from. I want to just I love to. I didn't put that in a slide, but okay. Now let me just somebody's saying something. Let me get to say that. You're not serious. Increase the music little. Somebody's enjoying my music. Let me increase it a little bit. Okay, now let's just get serious. Okay, let's get serious now. Why you should learn technical analysis. Now, when you become a technical analyst, number one thing that you should know is that you become financially free. You understand? You become your own boss. Like, you become independent. All you just need is just get the right information. Your charts. You understand? You don't have limitations. When things get to go wrong, let's say lockdown and all these things, you don't get affected. All you just need is your data, your phone, your laptop, and a very good conducive environment. That's all. You understand? So it makes you're just going to be so free. Like, I don't know how to make you guys understand. I work from home. I don't need to even go out. I'm just in my house and I'm making my money. You get doing my analysis, make my $50, $100, $200, like that. You understand? It makes you don't have limitations. You understand? You don't have any limit to environment, except maybe when you go to the village and there's no network. That's where you cannot say, oh, maybe you actually have some issues. You understand? But as long as you have your phone, you have good network, good data, which is network and data are the same thing now. Definitely, you can just. I use my phone to analyze also. You get. And then understand something. Learning technical analysis is like you can actually use it as a full lifetime career. Now, a lot of people right now, they don't even know that I'm a civil engineer. You get. Let me see. At what capital can you quit your nine? At what capital can you quit your 9 to 5 and do trading full time? I don't understand this. Maybe when it's time for question and answer, you're going to ask a question verbally so that I can understand. Now, like I was saying before, you can use that as your full lifetime career. Now, I trade, I analyze. I'm an investor. I invest. I have coins that I invest. I teach. You get. I do extra service also, which I'm going to teach you guys. It meant, can you quit your job? Ah, well, what is the job paying me? I'm not saying you should quit your job, oh, okay? It's not good to just quit your job, okay? Because sometimes, like I said, I used to always tell people the market is not ours. You get, it's not really good to quit your job. Have something, okay? Just have something. You get, but just have something. Just have something that you can actually bank up to when maybe things go wrong in the market. Especially if you want to be a futures trader, because you could actually get liquidated. Now, liquidation can actually you can just everything you have. You can make you can make $1,000 in a day, and then you can lose that same $1,000 in a very that same day. You understand? In futures trading, you get futures traders can actually they can echo to that. Those of them, I think we have futures traders also here in this very group too. You get so, but I can't quit. If you have a very good job, just keep it. You understand? You can just be in your workplace and be doing your analysis. You understand? It's not like you are doing any. Just or you just enjoy your setups, wait for the market to come to you. And like, okay. This is a technical analysis class, but I always tell people, don't jump into the market. Always wait for the market to come to you. I have TS, my TS students are also here. Don't ever jump into the market. Wait for the market to come to you. You understand? So that's one thing. That's one tip I'm going to also give you. Now, technical analysis. Once you learn technical analysis, it gives you boldness, confidence. I'm just confident to talk to you guys and answer any kind of questions because I've actually worked on myself. I've learned round. I've gone round into the market and everything. You understand? It gives me like I have the boldness. You understand? So it gives you that. Like it's very massive. Yeah, it's a massive stuff. Now you can work in any crypto firm. as a consultant or financial advisor. Like me, I'm also actually working in the crypto firm already. You understand? P Money Bitcoin Academy. What tool do you use to analyze? You're not serious. You're not serious. This is not a technical analysis class. Okay, if you want to learn how to the tools you use in analyzing, meet crypto ohms, and then he will tell you. Okay, so that's just that. So now, like I said before, I said first of all, you can become your own boss. You're not limited to one environment. You get now. I can be in Calabar today, and then maybe I just decide I want to travel to Abuja. It doesn't stop me because I all I just need is just to carry my PC, my phone, and I'm off. I just go there. When I just reach there, I can open my laptop and then continue this. But you cannot carry your office from Calabar to Abuja. Either can you carry your let's say maybe you're selling bags. Yes, you can actually carry the bags, but some people may be shy, and so on and so forth. I don't know if you're getting my point of penetration here. You get so it is something that you can just do anywhere you want. You understand? Sometimes I could be inside the bus. I could be because I don't have a car yet, but soon I'm going to get one. You get so, but I can be in the bus and then I just want to analyze the market and I just open my phone and I'm doing my analysis. You get so you don't have limitations at all. Like you're not limited to one environment. Okay, you can actually move anywhere. You can be anywhere, and then you can do exploit with the market. I said it gives you financial freedom. It's a full lifetime career. It gives you confidence. You can work in any crypto firm as a consultant and financial advisor. You get. So that's just that. And then most of the technical analysis gives you a proper insight of the price movement of the market, when to enter and when to leave the market. Now, technical analysis help you tell you when to enter the market and when to leave the market. You get once you do your proper analysis very well. My TA students they know this already. You understand? You know when to enter the market and you know where to leave the market. You get so that's just that. So now, how to become a profitable trader? How to become a profitable trader? Um, Sorry, I'm not actually using these slides. I'm supposed to use them. Oh, no vex, I beg. How to become a profitable trader. Now, you need to understand your risk to reward ratio. You understand? You cannot risk, let's say you want to enter a trade now. You want to risk, let's say you use 50K. No, let me say you use 100,000 to enter a particular trade. And then let's say you use a stop loss because there's something called stop loss in trading, spot trading. You use a stop loss of let's say 30%, and then your take profits around 50%, which is very, very bad. Now, if you lose that trade, you're losing 30%, and if you win that trade, you're winning 50%. Now, looking at that margin alone, that you're losing 50% of, you're losing 30% of 100,000, which is really, really bad. So you need to understand the relationship. You can just now, if you're actually applying that, at least if you're losing $2, eh, your risk should be like $2, and then you're making, let's say $10. You get that's $2 to $10. It's a very, very good ratio. But let's say I've seen so many people draw analysis, and then when I see their take profit and their stop loss, like if this market goes against you, you wait until it takes you off by 50%. That's like if 50% goes off your portfolio, that's like 50K has gone. You understand? So you need to understand the relationship, and that's can only that the only way you can actually understand that is when you've learned technical analysis. You understand? When you learn technical analysis, you can actually understand how to understand the risk to reward ratio. Now, you need a very good community. Most of you are already in Ohm's community. He's very good. He drops information for you guys. You can also join other community. You understand? Join other community. I'm coming. I don't know if that affected the screen too. Join other community, get information. You understand? Information, be an information prostitute. Like I said, it's very, very important. You understand? Now, market psychology. You understand? Your mood. You need to be very. It's not every time you enter the market. You get like you need to learn how to deal with your psychology when you're angry. Let's say maybe your girlfriend broke your heart, and then you now jump into the market. My guy, sorry for you. the market could fuck you up too, or you lose a trade and you were like, I need to get back, I need to get back, I need to get back. That anger that you're using that you want to get back, the market will continue taking from you little by little, and before you know what's up, it has dealt with you. You understand? Now, it's always very good. I tell my technical analyst, have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. Don't just jump into the market anyhow. Now, let's assume you come into the market today, you lose $5. You'll be like, okay, today is bad. Let it be. You understand? Draw your setups again. Check why you lost that trade. Try to understand what really happened, what went wrong, what didn't I do right that actually made this trade to go this way. You get check all that before you can actually, start just restructure yourself again before you jump into the market. Not that you lose $5 now and then boom, you just like no, I must go back and get this $5. Before you know what's up, that $5 you're trying to get, they'll collect $10. Before you know what's up, that $10 has entered $20. Before you know what's up, they don't collect you like $50 already. You get so you need to work on your psychology, self-control. You need to have self-control, self-investing and building. You need to always invest in knowledge. Don't stop learning. You understand? Never stop learning. Never stop learning. You get the learning process should not stop for you once you want to come into the crypto space. Try to always learn. You understand? Learn from someone that already know how the market goes. You get. Don't believe that you can just go to the internet and go and learn. You go to YouTube and you believe that you can call yourself a trader. No, you understand? Find someone that already have a mentor. You get have somebody that already knows this thing. Follow the person up. You understand? Follow him up. Try to just follow him up, and trust me, you'll be very surprised that not just any kind of mentor. Have a good mentor. Have a very good one. Not any kind of mentor. Okay. So that's just that. And then have a targeted profit. Like I said, have a targeted profit. It's not like maybe you say, okay, like in a day you say, okay, I want to be making $50. Example. Then you have made $50, and then you now like, no, let me add $20 to this. You just go, you want to add $20. That $20 you want to add, you don't know that your plan was $50. That was what your plan said. And then you want to come on because of greed, you want to come and make add additional $20. You'll be surprised that $20 you want to make, the market could just take, instead of you making that $20, they will take away from you what you already made. You get so having a trading plan is very, very important. Targeted profit. You get now. Lastly, like I said, is mentor. That one, no joke with them. They say follow person wey no road. You understand? Follow person wey no road. That one is very something that you cannot escape. Don't say that you can. Some people want to learn crypto with a shortcut. Hey, do I'm like that too. I didn't get to this very point by just shortcut. I paid the price. You understand? I paid the price. And up to today, I still give honor to who I learned from. I pay my dues. You understand? I'm very close to her. Actually, a woman taught me. You'll be very, very surprised, but a girl. And funny enough, she's 19 years. Okay, she just got 19. No, she'll be 19 this year. She taught me cryptocurrency. She taught me technical analysis. You get very surprising. I know most of you will be surprised. Yeah, she's 19 years old. You get. So that's just that. You need to have a mentor. You get have a mentor, have someone that you look up to. You can always ask questions, create relationship. Sometimes I just stay and then I just shut her up. But I want to recharge your phone. No. I send her money. You get. I don't know if you're getting my point. So that's just that. And all those things I'm doing, it's not like I'm bribing her. You get. I'm just making her to understand that yes, I appreciate her for everything she has done for me. And trust me, this very point I am right now in the space, she actually made it possible. You understand? She made it possible. She has been taking me around. I teach. I've done so many webinars. I've teach so many students. I've gone. Ah, you understand? That's the relation. It's not like I was the only person she taught. We're about if you check our analyst group, we're about 50 something people in that group. You understand? But there's a big but. You understand? Create relationship with your mentor. Not necessarily giving them money. Oh. I'm not saying money is a way, but at least just create a relationship with them. Engage them. You understand? Engage. They always try to engage them. Just engage. When they drop a statue, stuff like that, you comment, give good response. They'll be like, wow, this is nice. Okay, they'll start noticing you. You get. Although me, I'm like I always tell people I'm a very low key trader. I don't talk plenty. You understand? I'm just very I like my own space. You get. So I was even surprised how she noticed me and so on and so forth. So that's just that. So now limitations. Now traders will have limitations. Forget I said I think I said something about no limitations there. We have limitations, sorry. Limitations stroke challenges technical analysts face. Now, poor trading platform. You get. Now, remember I said something about Binance, KuCoin, all those ones. Now, you need to choose a very good platform that you're going to be trading with, not just every platform you see. You understand? You could just put your money in some of these platforms you're seeing because of they say they are going to give you $50 bonus welcome waiting blah blah blah. You just go and jump into that very platform and then you put all your life savings and everything there and then boom, before you know what's up, your money is gone. You get. So you need to have a choice. Choose the kind of platforms you're using, not all kind of platforms. You need to be very careful. The platform I'm using, do they have a very good customer service relationship? There was a time I had problem with Binance. I called them and they responded to me. Binance responded to me and they sorted my issue. You get. That is why I can't leave Binance. You get. So you need to have just choose good platforms because they have a name to uphold as well. You understand? Now I gave an example of Shoprite and all those things. Now, if you check all these are normal shops around, they don't care. All their own is just to sell. Whether they sell you bad thing or the thing is okay, they are not. It don't be their problem. They don't have an issue. Their own is just profit. But see those big platforms like Spa, Shoprite, and the rest, they have a name to uphold. You understand? So any product that is coming into their platform, they need to check it. They need to be sure that this is not going to, let me say, be toxic to the society and stuff like that. That's why you see by now sometimes they get to delist some coin. When it's discovered that a particular coin is not meeting up to the standard again, they remove it because they have the interest of their investors or whoever is coming into their platform. Do you understand? And that's the same thing that happens with all these big shops you're saying. They when they discover that a particular company that is producing a particular product is actually fucking up, they will remove that particular rule. But those in your roadside shop, they will not remove it though. They want to make profit. You understand? They want to sell. That is their mindset. You get. So that is why it's always advisable to have a good choice of platform. Don't just jump into any wallet you see. You just hear this one come out. Oh, they are giving you 50, 100% discount bonus. Blah blah blah. You jump into it. Yeah, your money too will jump. Oh. Let me see this question before this class ends. Class will end. Please can I know how to join your TA class? Oh, want to join TA class? I want to see this thing before I finish. Please, you just ask the questions again. I'm trying to be fast to read them so that join back when it goes off. Why is it why is it that whenever someone sell huge amount of crypto assets, it causes massive. Oh, yes, I'm going to say something when this class come back. Yes, I'm going to say something about this when this class come back. Okay, I don't want to start talking so it doesn't go off. So I'm going to say something about that very question when the class come back. So just stay tuned. Just join back. Let's get to finish this. For my TA class, you can contact Crypto Homes. Okay, you can join, ask him, just chat him up, and then he will relate you to me. Let's just chill. We'll join the meeting back, so I can answer this question about this Alien Mox blah blah blah, so on and so forth. I hope the class is okay. Please, if you're not following, please indicate to. Please let me know. If you're lost, please indicate as well, please. Yes, 19 years old though, I swear. And a girl, 19 years. I can send